In this video lesson, we will learn about another formula for the area of a triangle. It's called Heron's formula. So, what exactly is this formula, and how and when can we use it? So let's say we have a triangle ABC, and it's got sides with length A, B, and C in lowercase. This formula, Heron's formula, will give us the area in terms of just the three sides. So first, before we get into this formula, let's talk about lowercase s, which is the semiperimeter. It is literally half the perimeter. So we add up all three sides, A plus B plus C, and we divide it by 2. Now, Heron's area formula tells us that the area of the triangle is equal to the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. So s appears a total of 4 times. And notice that s is in terms of a, b, and c, so the whole formula only involves the lengths of the sides of the triangle. So let's do some computations and make sure that we know how this works. Here we have triangle ABC and the given side lengths, and we need to find its area. The first step, the semiperimeter. We have 11 plus 8 plus 5, and then divide by 2. So half the perimeter. And this is equal to 24 over 2, which is 12. So the semiperimeter S is 12. Now I'm just writing here like A, B, and C so we can remember how to plug them into our formula. And the formula is that area equals square root, everything's inside this big square root. We have the semiperimeter 12 times 12 minus A, which is 5, then 12 minus B, which is 11, then 12 minus C, which is 8. So S, the semiperimeter, or in this case 12, appears 4 times, and we either subtract nothing from it, or we subtract one of the side lengths of the triangle. So now all we have to do is simplify this expression, and we'll have the area of the triangle. So we have 12 times 7 times 1 times 4. And this we're going to simplify further. So the 1 doesn't matter. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. And then in the square root, we have 4 times 3 times 7 times 4. So I factored out another 4 from the 12. And this simplifies to, since there's 2 4s inside the square root, we can pull one of them out and we get 4 root 3 times 7, or 4 root 21. So this is in simplified radical form. Alright, so the area is 4 root 21. Let's move on to another example. So triangle ABC has lengths 3, 5, and 6. What is its area? So usually when a problem is written as in words like it is here, you have to draw it, or else it's just too difficult. But in this case, the drawing is actually optional, because all we need is the 3 different side lengths to put into the formula. I'm going to make a drawing anyway, but you don't actually have to. So here we have 3, 5, and 6, and it's only an approximate drawing. So S equals 3 plus 5 plus 6 over 2, which is 14 over 2, which is 7. So the semiperimeter, half the perimeter, is 7. Now we're ready to plug everything into the formula. It's going to write it to the side here to save space. S equals 7. And here I'm going to write, so A is the side across from A is 5, B is across from angle B is 6, C is across from angle C is 3. So we're ready. We have 7, the semiperimeter, times 7 minus A, 5, times 7 minus B, which is 6, times 7 minus C, which is 3. And let me change this C into a 3. Alright, so now we just have to simplify the expression. We have square root of 7 times 2 times 1 times 4. So the 1 doesn't matter because we're multiplying it. And the 4 factors out of the square root as a 2 because square root of 4 is 2, and we get 2 root 14 in simplified radical form. So the area of this triangle is 2 root 14. So I hope this helped, and thank you for watching this video lesson.